Here are 5 things we love about our spray bottle holders and why they become one of our best sellers. Number 1, organization. Detailing means lots of chemicals, from interior cleaners, exterior cleaners, waxes, sealants, maybe some polishes. No matter how many bottles you've got, these holders keep everything in order and within easy reach. Number 2, versatility. You can mount this anywhere. Whether it's in your garage, on your workbench, or in your detailing van, it's lightweight, easy to install, and as long as you've got 2 solid mounting points, you're good to go. Number 3, durability. Lightweight doesn't have to mean weak. These are built from strong metal with a black powder coat finish that's both stain and rust resistant. Even if a bottle leaks, the holder can handle the exposure. Number 4, smart design. Sleek, minimalist, and practical. The slim profile lets you read bottle labels at a glance, and the rubber padded rings prevent scratches, keeping your bottles looking clean and professional. Number 5, extra holes. What's that at the bottom? Extra holes for even more storage, giving you the flexibility to hang additional bottles. So whether you're working in your garage or detailing on the go, these spray bottle holders keep your setup organized, durable, and professional. And that's why everyone loves our spray bottle holders.